In this video, we will see how to install Power BI. The easiest and more reliable way to download it from the Microsoft Store rather than downloading from any other web, because whenever Microsoft gives you a new update, your Power BI will stay automatically up to date. You don't need to do any manual things. So I am recommending you to download it from the Microsoft Store rather than downloading it from any other web. Go to Microsoft Store and search for Power BI desktop. And you can see that I have already installed it, so it shows me open in my screen. And if you are first time installing it, you will see install and click the option and wait until it finishes, and then click open. And now we have successfully installed our Power BI. Once Power BI is installed, our next step is to set up our Bootcamp Dataset, which we will see in the next video.